Fusion Energy's Smart Home Monitor gives a clear, real-time view of whole home electricity use, so you can quickly spot waste and adjust habits. The included 1650 ampere sensors let you track major appliances individually, making it easy to see exactly what your air conditioner, water heater, or dryer is costing to run. Installation in a typical household panel is straightforward with clamp-style sensors, and the system supports common single-phase and three-phase configurations without exotic wiring changes. The companion application presents detailed history by hour, day, week, month, and year, helping you identify long-term trends and verify that efficiency upgrades are actually paying off. With support for local integration through Home Assistant and MQTT, privacy-minded users can keep all energy data on their own network instead of relying on a remote cloud service. By combining accurate measurement, granular circuit-level insight, and actionable alerts, this monitor becomes a practical tool for lowering electricity bills and reducing environmental impact.